こんにちは皆さん、お元気ですか？ Hello, how are you? Today grammar video number 79 and we're going to see the difference between まで and までに. We can use まで with time and the place and it means to or till, until. This is まで. Do you remember this expression? から、まで. From to. For example, from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock, 1時から3時まで from Japan to America, 日本からアメリカまで So this まで is just as the same way from this からまで till, to. Let's make a sentence. I study from 2 o'clock till 3:30. Let's see the difference between 3時and 3時間. 3時 means 3 o'clock. 3時間 with this 間, this is the duration of the time. 3時間, 3 hours. And if I say 3時半, it means 3:30, 3:30, 3時半. And 3時間半 during 3 hours and a half. 2時から3時半まで勉強します。2時から3時半まで勉強します。まで means the action continues till that time. So till 3:30, study continues. It takes about 3 hours from Tokyo to Osaka by 新幹線。東京から大阪まで新幹線で3時間ぐらいかかります。東京から大阪まで新幹線で3時間ぐらいかかります。I walked to the station without getting on a bus. Bus, we say バス in katakana. And 乗ります this verb to get on. バスに乗ります something に乗ります get on something. Let's think how to say without getting on a bus. Well, do you remember? Please get on a bus. バスに乗らないでください. Do you remember this one? The form, knife form and でください. Please don't. And 乗ります. This is the group 1. 乗ります. Knife form 乗らない. So バスに乗らないでください. Please don't get on a bus. If I want to say without getting on a bus, we don't have to say this ください. Only till ないで. バスに乗らないで. And I continue the other part of the phrase, the sentence. Station. 駅歩きます to walk. バスに乗らないで駅まで歩きました。バスに乗らないで駅まで歩きました。I was tired, so I was sleeping till 10:30 this morning. The verb to get tired. 疲れます. This is group 2. 疲れます. But if I want to say I'm tired, and we must say with て form, 疲れています. I'm tired. And I was tired. 疲れていました. This morning. 今朝. The kanji, this け this is 今, now. 朝, morning. But 今朝, it means this morning. The verb to sleep or to go to sleep. 寝ます. This is the group 2. 寝ます. In the past tense, 寝ました. But when someone is sleeping, then 寝ています. て form and います. 寝ています. someone is sleeping. I was sleeping, then 寝ていました。寝ていました。とても疲れていましたから、今朝10時半まで寝ていました。とても疲れていましたから、今朝10時半まで寝ていました。まで means till that moment or till that place or continuously. So here we could use time or the place. But までに this is only with the time because this is time limit. So the translations of this までに is by sometime or by the time. This is までに. Please come by no later than 9 a.m. 午前 a.m. because this go it means at noon, 12 o'clock at noon. Then before 12 o'clock a.m. 午前 and 午後 this is 後 after 午後 p.m. Please come the verb 来ます to come. This is group 3 and te form 来て then 来てください来てください please come 午前9時午前9時までに来てください午前9時までに来てください Please have the report submitted by next Friday. In this case, we use this までに because this is time limit. You don't have to submit it every day, just once, but this once anytime, but the limit time is next Friday. So this time limit we use with までに. Report, we say レポート with カタカナレポート and 金曜日 Friday 金曜日 next Friday well 来週 this is next week to say next Friday we must say 来週の金曜日 the verb 出します this can mean to take out but also to submit 出しますレポートは来週の金曜日までに出してくださいレポートは来週の金曜日までに出してください I have to write an essay before tomorrow or I have to write an essay by tomorrow. In this case, there's also time limit. By tomorrow. Tomorrow we say 明日。明日までに。明日までに。Essay, we say 作文。漢字を作、it comes from 作ります。to make. 文、this is sentences. Make sentences. 作文 essay the verb 書きます to write 書きます this is group 1書き and now I must think of knife form き change to か書かない so I must write 書かなければなりません書かなければなりません I must write 明日までに作文を書かなければなりません。明日までに作文を書かなければなりません。I'll be waiting for you here till 5 o'clock. The verb to wait. 待ちます。待ちます。And I'll be waiting. 待っています。In this case, which do you think we use? まで or までに Well, まで this is something that the duration, the continuously. And までに this is the time limit. So this is a little bit confusing. Maybe you think, I'll be waiting for you till 5 o'clock. So maybe you think, 5 o'clock is the last time, so maybe までに. But no, this time we use まで. 5時まで. Why? Because this is till 5 o'clock, something continuously till 5 o'clock. I'll be waiting for you now and after 5 minutes and 10 minutes, like this. But until 5 o'clock, all this moment, I'll be waiting for you till 5 o'clock. But if we use までに, it's very strange because までに, it is by 5 o'clock. By 5 o'clock, but not by 5 o'clock. It is till 5 o'clock. So we use まで, not までに. 5時まで、ここで待っています。5時までここで待っています。Please come to pick me up to the station. How can we say to go to pick up or to come to pick up someone? 迎えます。This verb, it means to welcome someone. Let's remember this grammar form. 場所 this is a place. Place へ目的 for some object に and the verb must be 行きます or 来ます. It means for some purpose. I got this place. I go to this place for this purpose. Or I come to this place for some purpose. 場所へ目的に行きます or 来ます. Before に this is a purpose. It can be noun and に. But we can also use the verb. In the case of verb, the must form without must and に. It means 迎えます to receive or to say welcome. Without must 迎えに来ます。迎えに来ます。Come to pick me up. Come to pick up someone. 迎えに来ます。And please pick me up. Please pick me up. 迎えに来てください。迎えに来てください。In this case, which do you think we can use? まで or までに to the station. Well, till the station. To the station. 駅まで or 駅までに. Well, this case we use this one. まで. Because I told you, までに is time limit. So we only use with time. まで we can use with the time and also the place. So we use 駅まで。駅まで迎えに来てください。駅まで迎えに来てください。Oh, I must leave the house before 7 o'clock. The verb to leave. 出ます。出ます。家を出ます。家を出ます。leave the house. 出ます。This is group 2. So the ない form 出ない。出ない。家を出ます。To leave the house. To go out of the house. I must leave the house. 家を出なければなりません。家を出ないといけません。In this occasion, which do you think we must use? まで or までに? Well, this is time limit. I must leave the house before 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock is the time limit. I must go before. So, までに. This is time limit. までに. 7時までに家を出なければなりません。7時までに家を出ないといけません。Now a quiz time with 5 questions. And all of them are translations into Japanese. 1番目. It was raining whole day long from the morning till night yesterday. 2番目. I must give back this book till next Wednesday. I must give back this book before next Wednesday. 3番目 It takes about 10 minutes walking from the school to the station. 4番目 I want to memorize 300 kanjis before July. By July. 5番目最後です。I must return home by 11 p.m. I hope you could understand very well まで and までに。If you liked this video, please don't forget to give me like. And if you can share my videos with your friends, that will help me a lot. And if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do it. Now please listen to me all in Japanese. いかがでしたか？今日はまで、そしてまでにを勉強しました。よくわかっていただけましたか？もしそうだったら、ぜひいいねボタンお願いいたします。それから私のビデオをお友達にシェアしていただけたらとても嬉しいです。助かります。それからまだチャンネル登録なさっていなかったら、ぜひなさってくださいね。ではまた次のビデオでお会いいたしましょう。じゃあねー。